Good morning, student. Welcome to our second part of Nina's and Baby Sparrow. Today I will explain you second page of this lesson. In first page I explain you there is a girl. Her name is Nina, and her family is going to attend the marriage. Nina's aunt marries in Delhi, but Nina do not want to go to the marriage. Okay, now in second page, why she not want to go to attend the marriage? First I will read and then explain, so listen very carefully. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. Now her mother asking with her, why you not want to buy any new dress for wedding? So Nina is giving answer to her mother. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding, because she not want to go to the wedding. That's why she was saying no to the everything. In last paragraph I explain you that Nina says no for salwar kameez and white shoes, है ना? So she said I not want to go to the wedding, that's why I not want to buy anything. Her mother asks again, but why you not want to go to the wedding? Okay, Nina said nothing. When her mother asks with her, why you are not want to go to the wedding, so Nina not give the answer. Instead, two big tears roll down her cheeks. In place of answer, two big tears roll down her cheeks. Roll down means लुढ़कना. Two big tears, दो मोटे मोटे आंसू लुढ़क कर उसके गालों में आ गए. It means she start crying. Who start crying? Nina. Mother put her arms around Nina. Then again her mother hugged her and said, don't cry, my pet, she said. Nina's mother said, don't cry, my pet. Tell me, why are you crying? Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Her mother asked with her that why don't you tell me, why are you worried? Bothering you means worried. What is your problem? Why you not want to go to the wedding? Then more tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. When her mother asked with her, what's bothering you? So again Nina start crying. Again more tears rolled down Nina's cheek. Mother, she said. Then Nina said, Mother, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. Sparrow. Do you know, student? Sparrows? Do you know anything about the sparrows? Sparrow is a bird. Sparrow is the bird. It is a name of a bird, just like crow. Crow is a bird. Peacock is a bird. Same. Sparrow is a bird. It has a very small size. Often she comes at our home also. Sparrows make their nest also in our home. She said, there is a sparrow nest. What she said? Nina said, Mama, there is a sparrow nest on the bookshelf. Bookshelf is a place where we kept our books. Okay? In my room. She said, Mama, in my room there is a nest. Okay? And there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. And she said, there are 2 baby sparrows are also. Baby sparrows. Okay? Her mother said, I see. She said, mother. What mother said? I see. I see means, oh, now I come to know your problem. Understand? What is the meaning of I see? Her mother said, na, I see. It means her mother is saying, ki, okay, now I come to know your problem. Now here, there are just beginning to get their feathers. What she told her mother, Nina. Nina also told, they are, who they are? Baby sparrows. These word, they are word is using for baby sparrow. Baby sparrows are growing. Get their feather means they are growing. And growing up makes them so hungry. Because they are growing, so they feel very hungry. Who feel very hungry? Baby sparrows. These 2 sparrows. You can look at the picture also. Here are the picture of 2 sparrows now. So these 2 sparrows feel very hungry. Who said this? Nina. This girl. Nina said this. Nina is saying they are growing, so they are feel very hungry. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food. And Nina is telling to her mother that the baby sparrows are cry chip chip. Chip chip is the sound of these 2 baby sparrows. Okay? When these baby sparrows feel hungry, what they say? They says cry. They says chip chip. When your younger brother and sister feels hungry, na, so what they do you know? Ask with your mother. Ask with your mother, Mama, when I was a baby, when I was a 6 month old, what I told for food. Okay? They just beginning to get their feathers. It means they are growing, and because they are growing, so they feel hungry so much. And when they feel hungry, they cry chip chip. Why they cry chip chip? Chip chip means they are asking for food. Okay? So today I will explain the lesson till here only. On our next video I will explain the whole lesson, and I will ask with you more questions, fill in the blanks and other work also. And student, today you have to do reference to context. This is your work. Reference to context. This. Read the following lines very carefully and give the answer of questions with reference to context. This is your line. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Now you have to recognize this line. Who said this line? This is the question. Who said this line to whom? You have to recognize this line. Who said this line to whom? And before giving the answer of this question, who said this line to whom, you have to write reference to context, which here written question. Give the answer of question with reference to context. First you have to write reference to context. Your reference to context is, this line has been taken from lesson Nina and the baby sparrows. Written by Pratibha Nath. Pratibha Nath is the writer of this story. Now answer. Who said this line? Nina's mother said this line to Nina. Okay. Now second is, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. Who said these lines to whom? Here are 2 lines now, so I written here lines. The 2 lines are here, so write here lines. Question is, where is the nest? Here are 2 questions, question A and question B. 2 questions are here, question A and question B. Who said these lines to whom? Where is the nest? Now before giving the answer, same you have to write reference to context, then you have to write the answer of question number A and B. Reference to context. In this reference to context, you are using word lines. These lines. With lines we have to use have. With plural we use have. Okay. These lines have been taken from lesson Nina and the Baby Sparrows, written by Pratibha Nath. Answer. Nina said this line to her mother. The question A was, who said this line to whom? So Nina said this line to her mother. And second question is, where is the bookshelf? The answer is, just before I told you in my explanation also, the nest is on the bookshelf in Nina's room. This is the complete answer of this question. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Nina's aunt was getting married. This is your blank place, which I underline with black color. Again, fill in the blanks. Nina's aunt was getting married. This is your blank place, which I underline with black color. I underline all the blank place with the black color. There are 4 members in Nina's family. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. 2 big tears rolled down her cheeks. There are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. All day long, baby sparrows cry, chip, chip. Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies. This is your work, and you have to do this work in your literature notebook, and no need to submit this work. Okay, student, no need to submit this work. Okay, thank you class. Have a nice day.